Hello YouTube. Today I wanted to take a closer look at some Johnny Lightnings I picked up from the flea market. The seller had a whole box of these, wanted $1 a piece for them, and I asked him how much for the whole box. I gave him 15 bucks for the whole box. Ended up working out to be like 75 cents a car. So we might as well crack some of them open. First up, we got 1970 Super Bee. Very nice. I like the gray. Opening hood. Good engine detail. And it shuts good too. Rear taillight detail. Headlight. Metal base. And it is from the Playing Mantis era. Next up is a 1970 Plymouth Arracuda. And it is from 2005. And not sure who was, oh, RC2. It's an RC2. Get a magnet. That's pretty cool. Pretty nice. I like the color of it. Rubber tires, metal base, rear detail. My darn camera would focus. Opening hood. Think so. I can't get it open right now. Next up, 1972 Nova SS. A Playing Mantis era from, where's the year? Don't see a year on this one. Huh. Alright. Opening hood. Don't want to open. A little stiff. Plastic tires, metal base. It's a nice little casting. Looks like something your neighbor would build up for the strip. Next up, 1970 Dodge Challenger in green. And it is a Playing Mantis era. I'm having trouble finding the copyright dates on these. Plastic tires. And it looks like them doors could open. Really nice body lines. Opening hood. Not a whole lot of detail under the hood. Metal base, plastic tires. For 75 cents, though, you can't beat it. You ain't gonna get a Hot Wheels that detailed with the metal base. Well, we only got one so far with rubber tires. Alright, the last one. 1970 Buick GSX. In orange. Really like the color of this. This blister just exploded like a piece of glass. It's all yellow and extremely brittle. It needed to be freed. Shout out to Lamar Fashion. Free the piece. Kinda opening hood. Don't open very far. Not gonna force it. Very nice orange though. Plastic tires, metal base. Very nice. I'm happy to add them Johnny Lightnings to my collection. Make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.